One financial expert is predicting that we are less than 30 days away from the precious metals markets correcting themselves and bumping higher than ever before. We're going to be talking about that in today's video. Welcome back, guys, to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and this is the Morning Market Wake-Up Call for Tuesday, March 9th, 2021. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets and see where we're starting today off at. Gold is trying to recover. It's back over $1,700, currently at $1712.34. Silver also making a nice push upwards at $25.78. That gives us a ratio of 66.41. Platinum has made some nice moves, currently up at $1175.88, but palladium is steady at $2347.99. Rhodium also steady at $27,800. We've seen some losses in base metals. Copper is down, currently at $4.05. Nickel is down significantly again, currently at $7.55. Aluminum is back under $1 at 98 cents. Zinc at $1.24, and lead under 90 cents at 89. Barrels of crude oil have hit a 3-year high recently, just here in the last 48 hours. Currently, it is down, currently at 65.48. We had a mixed day on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow Jones was up 306 points at 31,802.44. The Nasdaq was down 310 points at 12,609.16. And the S&P 500 was down 20 points at 32,2135. The U.S. dollar index continues to improve. It's currently at 92.04. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, the last 24 hours have been good for you. We reached back over $54,000 overnight. We are down slightly from that high. Currently at $53,919.78. And if you happen to exchange a gold back today, whether that be the Utah, Nevada, or New Hampshire New Hampshirean, maybe. Maybe somebody from New Hampshire can correct me at some point down in the comments. New Hampshirean gold back. Those are down, trading at $3.04, but we do expect that number to go up somewhat once their market opens. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there is a financial expert out there that believes that gold, silver, other precious metals, as well as the stock market, maybe even Bitcoin, are due for a big boost. And it's going to come sooner than you think. This comes to us from Kitco News. It's an excerpt from an interview from David Lynn with Frank Holmes. This is titled, Hyperbolic Yields Will Correct How Bitcoin, Gold, and Stocks Will React. It's a short article, so it will be over quickly. Yields cannot rise hyperbolically forever, and within the next 30 days, they should mean revert, creating a very bullish environment for risk assets, said Frank Holmes, CEO of U.S. Global Investors. Quote, the 10-year Treasury yield bonds have gone hyperbolic. It's not like an airplane taking off. This is like a rocket ship going into space. Anytime you see something with a 3 standard deviation move, it creates unexpected consequences in the capital markets. Holmes said, what we saw was the 10-year yield went above the S&P dividend yield, and that automatically creates a flow of capital out of the stock market into bonds. And I think we're going to get a correction here over the next 30 days, and that correction will be very, very positive for gold and silver, the stock market, along with the cryptocurrencies. So we have been talking about the bond yield some here on this channel recently because we have been seeing those go up, and now they are really going up to a point where they're not sustainable. So if you're looking for a reason why the gold and silver markets took a little bit of a dive the last couple of weeks, the bond yields, the Treasury yields are the reason why. Now we're looking at a correction here very, very soon, it sounds like. Maybe within the next 30 days, maybe 45 days, who knows. I'm not a financial expert, so take what I say with a grain of salt. But it sounds like we are heading towards a correction, and that correction is going to be across a lot of different markets that we watch. So keep an eye out. Let's see, it is March 9th. So let's just April 9th. We'll take a look at it again, see what that prediction was, and see if it was correct. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Do you think we are on the cusp of another big explosion in precious metals, the stock market, and crypto? Of course, crypto already had a big explosion this year. We went from $20,000 for a Bitcoin to $55,000, $56,000, $57,000 for a Bitcoin, seemingly in just a couple of weeks. We were just kept reporting on higher and higher and higher all-time highs with Bitcoin. Likewise with gold, we did the same. We saw an all-time high with gold not too long ago. Are we going to be returning to that high here very soon? Probably within the next 30 days. We'll see. We'll see. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Be anxious to hear what you have to say on the topic. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. And if you happen to appreciate old Indy XP Bullion, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button for me right there. Helps me out immensely. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on when all the latest and greatest content's coming out, make sure you hit the subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can stay notified of when that content is coming out. Of course, we're going to pop the box up on this side of the screen, somewhere around 445 videos strong. Now you can start clicking through those at your heart's content at the end of this one. Guys, I've been Indy XP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.